Here we are. Here we are down in the wood, sitting here listening to the birds. This time of the night, around 9:30, they chat to themselves after their day, talking about maybe nesting, but it gives it a good old chin wag if you listen to them. They're all replying to one another in their own way. You have high pitches and low pitches. You'd hear all the different type of bird. The blackbird has a good strong one this time of the night. But they're all trying to impress their mates or their partners. Ooh, there's one after arriving, a blackbird. They give out like hell, the blackbirds, this time of the night. They chatter. Quieten down for a while and then they start up again. Now in probably an hour and a half they'll all quieten off. You won't hear any chattering. Just sitting here myself. Just came along and I just had my camera in my pocket and I said I listen to the birds now because they're chatting quite well. Okay, this is Patrick O'Brien here, showing you when you create something like a forest, that especially here in Ireland with all the green, the birds, they just flock in and they make it their home. Thank you very much for watching.